Is conscientious objection legal? Have you ever wondered if you can refuse to participate in something because it goes against your beliefs? This is where conscientious objection comes into play. It is the right of individuals to decline participation in certain activities based on their deeply held ethical, moral, or religious beliefs. But is this right recognized by law? In many countries, including the United States, conscientious objection is legally acknowledged, especially in the context of military service. If someone has strong moral or religious reasons against serving in the armed forces, they can claim an exemption. The law typically protects those who oppose actions that conflict with their conscience. However, this protection is not absolute. To qualify for conscientious objector status, individuals must show that their beliefs are sincere and consistent. This means they cannot simply refuse service for personal or political reasons. The U.S. Supreme Court has ruled that even those without religious beliefs can claim conscientious objection if their opposition to war is based on moral or ethical grounds. However, this status usually applies to those who oppose all wars, not just specific conflicts. Conscientious objection also extends beyond military service. In the healthcare field, providers may refuse to perform certain procedures, like abortions or vaccinations, if these actions conflict with their moral or religious convictions. Many areas have conscience clauses that protect these refusals, balancing the provider's rights with the need for patient care. However, these laws often requiring that the refusal does not leave patients without access to necessary services. From an ethical standpoint, conscientious objection raises important questions. It highlights the balance between individual moral integrity and social responsibilities. It acknowledges that forcing someone to participate in actions they find morally wrong can violate their ethical principles. Yet, it also creates ethical dilemmas, especially when a refusal impacts others' rights or well-being. For instance, in healthcare, if a provider refuses to perform a procedure, it may hinder a patient's access to care. Ethical frameworks suggest that conscientious objection should be exercised responsibly, considering the potential harm to others. In summary, conscientious objection is legally recognized in various contexts as a way to honor moral and ethical convictions. However, it comes with established procedures to evaluate claims and ensure that individual rights do not infringe on the rights of others.